Check out this Ford 2017 Super Duty F-250 SRW Platinum. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, FX4 off-road package, gross vehicle weight, 10.0 pounds payload package, order code 703A, Platinum Ultimate package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.